Okay, hello. This is my YouTube channel. I'm Sam. I would just post this without an intro, but I just thought that would be a bit weird. So, I fly drones. Here's my 5-inch that I built. If anyone likes this video, and you want to know about like how I built this and like what I fly with, then put it in the comments. I don't know. Enjoy this video. I don't know. I crashed. Spoiler. And this was like 2 months ago because now I live in Birmingham and it's too built up to fly. So, but yeah. So you won't catch me flying anytime soon. But I just wanted to edit this, put it on YouTube, see if anyone likes it. And yeah, so here you go. Enjoy. That is unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Yes. It would appear that the 3D printed part is not very strong. Oh, and I broke a prop. But it's fine, question mark. Okay, so that obviously didn't really go to plan. I don't know whether it's the screw. I'm guessing it's the screw, but we'll see if we can get a smaller screw and then obviously a new part, because I can't use this. Wow, vlogging with the DJI Osmo Action 4. First time use. Kind of crazy. I'm gonna have to go under this bar. Pretty snazzy with the old 4K. Look at my hair. Whoa! That was pretty fun. So, whoa, almost fell over.